Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about biofeedback groups. This group consisted of 27 patients, 16 males and 1 females. Their ages ranged from 39 to 78 years, average 55. They were known to be hypertensive for at least 1 year, and in some cases as long as 20 years, average 6.8 years. The etiology of hypertension was essential in 25 and renal in 2. All except 2 were taking antihypertensive drugs, but their blood pressure was not controlled adequately. 20 hypertensive controls, 9 males and 1 females, were matched from an age and gender register as closely as possible to the treated group. In this group, 18 patients had essential and 2 renal hypertension. The original pressure is the one recorded when the subject was first detected to be hypertensive. The pre-trial baseline blood pressure is an average of 18 readings taken over 3 separate days, after half an hour's rest on each day. Blood pressure was taken in the standing, sitting and supine positions, and their average taken as the final reading. Similar criteria applied to the control group. Symptoms of these patients varied. In order of their frequency, there were tiredness, headache, dyspnea on exertion, dizziness, irritability, chest pain with or without angina, palpitation, nervousness and depression. Headache and tiredness were very common and were present in 70% and 65% of the patients respectively. The symptoms in the treated and control groups were comparable.